Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a solar wireless backup camera system, and I'm pretty excited about getting this because if there's one thing that makes some of these older vehicles totally different from the newer ones is backup cameras. So if you have an older vehicle and you have kind of like as a second vehicle, vacation car, something that you use on weekends, so you're not using all the time, this would be a great addition to bring your vehicle more into the modern age. So that is your instruction manual. So just flipping through it, it's like pretty basic. Just going through the different menu features. And it'll kind of like guide you through. So you do mount it around your license plate bracket. And we'll set this up. I actually have a Hummer H2 that had a secondary backup camera system installed, which has since failed. So I had to get something that was like upgradable, and without having to like wire through the entire vehicle. So that just makes things, all sorts of challenging. So that is going to be your monitor. So that is going to be, I guess, your receiving antenna. So you're going to put, so you can kind of like fold it down towards the back, kind of seemingly out of the way. Got a couple different mounting options. This is going to be for your accessory to plug this into. So this is going to plug into the front. And it has a USB pass-through, so if you're worried about losing a power adapter, this is a good way to get that situated. Got some mounts, different mounts that you can use, and then this is going to be the camera that we're going to mount in back. So it has its little antenna, then we can like mount that up. And then it has your solar charging battery here in that array. So that is pretty cool. So I like that already. Pretty awesome. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm actually going to let this sit in the sun for a little bit, and then we are going to go put it into the Hummer, and we'll show you how quick and easy that install process is. So stay tuned. Okay, so here we are with our Hummer H2, and this is the camera bracket that we are going to mount back here. So it's going to go onto our license plate holder right here, and kind of give you an idea is we will slip our license plate in here. Obviously I'm just concealing the plate for some privacy, but we can kind of see that. So we put that on, and we just put our license plate bolts in. Everything lines up pretty good. So I have that going kind of like that. Then we'll just peel the sticker off the back here. Okay, let's make sure that that bracket gets some power to it. All right, let's go up to the front. Okay, so this is our camera. Not the camera, this is our monitor. Make sure we keep that antenna up here. And you got a couple different ways of mounting this. So you can put that little ball in there. Has a ball and socket. so let's get that loosely put on. And that will fit in there. Then that will get locked into place there. And we can put that up onto our window. Kind of have it facing down. And this is bi-directional, looks like. So I think we'll put it that way. That might make for a better mount. For us. So we'll put that like right there. Right here. Okay. So I get this little power cord that we run down. String it down here. Then we'll put it into this accessory port. And then again, you can set this up however you want. And then that is monitors coming on already. So that is your new backup camera. And plugged in, it will also show you how much power you have on a backup camera. And I believe this is a little power on button, so we can turn it on and off as we will. So that is your little power button, and you can keep that anywhere, so that's pretty awesome. So you can mount that anywhere on your dash with a little sticker, hit a button, and then so again, that's pretty cool. You got a little power button, turn that on, and then that is your backup camera. Nice crystal clear image. Obviously with my light, I'm kind of drowning it out, but maybe that looks a little bit better so you can see the image really good. Make it a little bit closer. Yeah, so you can kind of see the screen. But yeah, that works really awesome. Super easy to set up. Like I said, you can turn that on and off whenever you like, and then you can angle that so you got like a perfect position on that. And it's solar powered, so you don't have to worry about draining your battery or running wires all over the place, other than plug it into your outlet, and then you're good to go. So again, turn it off. Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.